Well, hello there, garden lovers. Welcome back to our channel. And in today's episode, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, fast-growing veggies. That's right. If you're craving fresh, homegrown goodness without the wait, this video is for you. We'll be exploring 5 veggies you can harvest in a flash, all in under a month. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato fresh from your garden in just 30 days. It's possible. But before we dive in, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting episodes. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to fast-growing veggies? Drop a comment below. Let's get the conversation growing. Now let's meet the 5 veggies that will have you harvesting in no time. First on our list are radishes. And wow, these root vegetables are speed demons. Most varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast are ready to harvest in just 20 to 28 days. Once they're big enough, just pull them out. Wash them and enjoy their crisp, spicy flavor in salads or as a tasty snack. Next up is arugula. This leafy green is another fast grower. You can start harvesting baby leaves in about 20 to 25 days. Arugula thrives in cooler time, so it's great for spring or fall planting. Its peppery taste adds a zesty kick to salads and sandwiches. Lettuce is also a quick and easy crop to grow. In about 25 to 30 days, you can start harvesting young leaves from varieties like Butter Crunch or Black-Seeded Simpson. These lettuces are perfect for those cut-and-come-again salads. Just cut the outer leaves and the plant will keep producing more greens. At No. 4, we have spinach. This nutrient-packed green is ready to harvest in about 3 to 4 weeks. Like arugula, spinach prefers cooler weather, so plant it in spring or fall. Add fresh spinach to smoothies or salads for a nutritious boost. And last but not least, microgreens. These tiny greens are the fastest growers on our list, ready to harvest in just 7 to 14 days. From broccoli to mustard to sunflower microgreens, the options are vast. They're packed with flavor and nutrients and are perfect for smoothies or garnishing dishes. And the best part, you can grow them on your windowsill with just a tray and some soil. And there you have it, 5 veggies that can go from seed to harvest in under a month. I hope this video has inspired you to get growing. Remember, you don't have to wait long to enjoy fresh, homegrown goodness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and drop a comment below with your favorite fast-growing veggies. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and happy planting.